and I'm in Dorset exploring the marine processes which shape our coastline. As we can see from the seascape, this is not an environment that stays still for long. There's a gentle breeze, the waves are rolling in, picking up sediment, transporting it up and back down the beach. But this isn't just a one-wave movement. Sand is repeatedly shifted from one end of the beach to the other, sometimes even round the coastline to a completely different beach altogether. And this type of sediment transport is known as longshore drift, and I'm just going to explain a little bit more about how it works. Winds can come from all sorts of different directions, but there is usually a dominant wind direction, and it's known as the prevailing wind. In the UK, the prevailing wind comes from the southwest. The prevailing wind drives the direction of the waves up onto the beach, carrying sediment with them, and this forward motion of waves up the beach is known as the swash. The retreat of waves back down the beach is known as the backwash. But the backwash doesn't happen in the same angle as the swash. Instead, the backwash is always at 90 degrees or perpendicular to the coastline, and that's because gravity ensures that the steepest and fastest way for sediment and waves to travel back down to the sea is at 90 degrees. This process repeatedly continues, creating a zigzag pattern of swash and backwash, which transports sediment along the beach from one end to the other. Just have a think about where each grain of sand could have travelled from via longshore drift and where it could go next.